How to set up capture card in TikTok Live Studio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can set up capture card in your TikTok Live Studio. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So what you'll need to do here is first you will need to open up your TikTok Live Studio, and after you open it up you will then need to head over to this sources option. Tap on this add source. After you tap on this add source here, this page will open up. Now you'll need to choose your capture card. Tap on capture card and then tap on add. So now set it to however you want. So simply set it to what you want. You can change the settings here. You can change the resolution, FPS and everything. So after you're done and satisfied with the settings here, tap on add source. After tapping on add source, your source card will get added right here. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.